So when you're practicing your left hand, I would practice block first. So you could see that the first line, the first section is really easy because it's all C chord up to this point, G7 chord. So let's review our chords, just briefly speaking. C chord, a whole bunch of them, and then G7 at towards the end of the line 1. Second phrase, da, 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 da. So this is how you should be practicing. You should be singing. When, da, 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 hum along your melody as you're blocking your chords. At the end of line 1. Da, da, da. And next line. Da, da, F chord. Da, 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 G7. Next phrase. G7 and still G7. Stretch down to B, C. And you've done section A. And I would do that a lot. Then C7 to F. What is that chord again? Oh well, if you've been practicing your chord 1, chord 4, chord 5, 7 in C, and as I suggested, I asked you to practice that in the key of A minor, right? Well, in this case, you have that, but in the key of F. F being 1. That's F chord. Where is the chord 5 for F? C7. How do we move to a C7? 5, 7. Pinky goes down by half step, and we switch for index on that B flat. So that's your C7. You could do that, or you could just simplify it the way it is right there. It's simplified because I did not take into consideration the 7th. That note 7th is already in your melody. It's the B flat. So I wrote Cha just the same C chord. So if you're really low intermediate, this is one of your first songs where you're putting Cha into your song, then just do what I wrote down here, which is the C chord root position. So just C chord block, and then F chord is the usual F chord that you would play. And I would recommend that if this is one of your first ones, putting your 2 hands together with Cha. Okay, so for the more advanced, of course, you can move your hand up to the C7 this way, to the F. But since you just finished here with the C chord in root position, when you're beginning that that bar with the B flat on it, just stay there. Left hand staying there is the simplest. Sera. So your chord F is this way. Sera. And then the last line is F chord. Whatever will be, and see again the next part. The future marked us to see. G7 again, and then the last bar of that line. Sera, Sera. And G7, the last phrase. What will be, will be. And of course, I miss writing out the last one. So I will practice left hand first block like that until it's really, really, really smooth. And humming your melody.